How to check unknown color on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open App Store on your device and tap on the search bar and search for Truecaller. Now go ahead and download the application if you have not already downloaded the application, and further, go ahead and launch the app. Once launched, make sure you are signed in to Truecaller by entering your login credentials, or you can also simply log in using your phone number. And now if you go to the phone tab and then tap on the missed option you see there, then you will be able to see all the numbers that you have not saved and received unknown callers on your device by simply mentioning Truecaller and then the user ID or the caller's ID. So this is how you can see unknown caller on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.